Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best gaming accessories, and today we're talking about the best Splatoon 3 Switch case on the market. If you're a fan of Splatoon 3 and own a Nintendo Switch or Switch OLED, then this is the perfect carrying case for you. The FUNDIARY blue and green travel carrying case is a standout for its unique and stylish design inspired by the popular Splatoon 3 game. This case isn't just visually appealing, it's built to protect your Nintendo Switch with a shockproof and waterproof exterior. Whether you're headed to a friend's house or traveling across town, this case is designed to keep your Switch safe from drops, scratches, and other potential damage. One of the best features of this carrying case is its large capacity. It's not just a case for your Switch, it's a complete travel bundle. The interior is thoughtfully designed with a mesh pocket to hold all your accessories, such as headphones, cables, and other gadgets you need. It even has 12 slots for game cards, along with a dedicated holder for your game case. Plus, you can store up to 12 micro SD cards for all your digital content, ensuring you're never without your favorite games. The Switch itself fits securely in the case thanks to an elastic band that keeps it stable during transport. The soft fleece lining adds an extra layer of protection to the screen, ensuring it's safe from scratches or other damage while on the go. The case also features a convenient hand strap for easy carrying, making it even more portable. As for security, this carrying case is designed to withstand wear and tear. It's made from durable materials that are resistant to scratches and water, and the shock-absorbing design ensures that your console and accessories stay intact even if the case takes a tumble. The high-quality build of this case means it won't lose its shape, so you can trust it for long-term use. Included with the carrying case are two thumb caps that match the Splatoon 3 theme, giving you extra comfort while playing. It's a complete package for anyone looking to protect and carry their Nintendo Switch in style. In summary, the FUNDIARY blue and green travel carrying case for Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED with Splatoon 3 design is a must-have for any Splatoon fan. It offers excellent protection, ample storage, and a cool design, making it the best Splatoon 3 Switch case available. If you're looking for a safe and stylish way to transport your console, this case should be at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the best gaming accessories.